Guys, tell me why I get into my house and I hear my washing machine just it woke me up right now. It's about 12:16 a.m. So yeah, let me just swipe around. But yeah, I just showed up 2 games that I was gonna play. But yeah, it just sounded like someone was thrashing like. How should I say it? Like a delicate way. Oh my God! Shut up. Wait, how should I say this in a delicate way? It was like 2 people were humping each other on the washing machines. Horrible. Well, that's what I got for today. This was just a short little video, 50 couple minutes, I think. I don't know. Well, peace. Bye.